We will feel this. Look at a cake spoiled. Steak for Mars, steak for me. Yum, yum, yum.
No, just make a boy know you're not blow. It's clean, no man never.
Bon appetit. We have Mars's lovely food. Ooh, my lovely food. And the beautiful fire is... You gotta see the view. The view is just so nice. Beautiful nature. Oh. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, no, it's good, man.
You feel like and this make you feel like and this make you feel blue. Know you got the glue. Know you got the glue. Come look off your back.
So, as usual, Mars finishes his food in seconds. And then he comes to me for my food. So I'm giving him some of my steak, as always. And then I sneak in a carrot. And the way he's like, with his teeth, like, what the hell is that? But I kind of covered it with the steak juice. So I think it's just about edible for him now. There we go, my little monster. Nom, nom, nom.